Have you ever noticed that startups don't usually have IT problems when there are only 5 employees? Everyone shares the Wi-Fi password. The founder knows everyone's laptop, and if someone does forget a password, you just walk over and help them. Everything works until it doesn't. And as your company grows, those little shortcuts start turning into operational problems. So by the time you reach 20 to 50 employees, IT quickly becomes one of the biggest bottlenecks in your business. Today, I want to talk about why that happens and, more importantly, how to avoid it. If you haven't met me before, my name is Lemire Carter, founder of Carter Systems IT. We help growing startups build secure, scalable IT operations so founders can spend less time troubleshooting technology and more time growing their business. The first problem I see is every new employee gets set up differently. One person gets Google Drive, another gets Dropbox, someone is missing Slack, maybe engineering installs software one way while sales does it another. And at first, this isn't a huge problem, right? But let's say 6 months later, nobody remembers how anything is configured. Onboarding a new employee takes hours instead of minutes. The solution is creating a repeatable onboarding process where every new hire receives the same applications, the same permissions, as well as the same security settings from day one. The second issue I see is nobody knows who has access to what. This is probably one of the biggest risks that I see. Let's say an employee leaves the company, their Google Workspace account is disabled, but they still have access to Notion or GitHub or your CRM or one of the other 20 SaaS applications that your company still uses. We know as startups grow, software subscriptions multiply very quickly. Without a process to track who has access to what, it becomes very difficult to manage security and licensing. The third problem I see, the founder becomes the IT department. And this is probably the biggest bottleneck. Instead of focusing on the customer, building the product, or fundraising, the founder is resetting passwords, ordering laptops, helping someone reset the printer or connect to their printer, I should say. This can go on and on and on. And these are all necessary tasks, mind you, but they're not the highest value use of the founder's time. The fourth and final problem that I see, at least for this video, is that security falls behind growth. We know that startups move really fast, and sometimes security just can't keep up. Maybe MFA isn't enabled everywhere like it's supposed to. Employees reuse old passwords. Former employees still have access to shared drives. Everyone has admin access because it's just easier. Understand that these aren't unusual mistakes. They're just signs that the company has grown faster than its IT processes. If you're approaching that 20 to 30 employee range, now is the perfect time to start thinking about your IT foundation. The earlier you build good processes around onboarding, offboarding, access management, and security, the easier it'll be for you to scale. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing. Over the next few weeks, I'll be sharing practical advice for startup founders and operational leaders about the topics discussed in this video. With that said, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.